Bring your right foot forward between your hands, please. Okay, and we're going to keep this back foot all the way up against the wall. All the way up against the wall. Okay. If you can, the palms of the hands flat. If not, up on the fingertips. If it's very difficult, take 2 blocks, put your hands there. And I want the 2 frontal pelvic bones to be even with the ground. So this one needs to lift much higher, and this needs to come under here. So the side of your leg firms in, and it's almost like there is a string here from the outside of the knee pulling into the buttock. Outer ankle in, and now you've got to bend to a right angle, Maty. I'll bet you can. That's it. Give me a little more distance here. The front of the shin bone, moves to the wall. It doesn't actually physically move, it's an action, and it's an internal energy in the body. The shin bone resists going forward. So if the body is moving in one direction, the yogic path is for something to resist in the opposite direction. So the shin bone wants to come forward, but now we resist, and the result is weight in the heel, protecting the knee, firming the underneath part of the leg. Let's do it.